everybody, it's Z here with another video of utter randomness, and I'm back after, I don't know, 6 months, 7 months, a year, I'm not even sure, because I found another product which I was unable to find in Pakistan, and I don't see much videos about it, tutorials about it, which are from here basically. So I thought I'll give it a try, help you guys a bit, and if I mess up, you know what not to do, and if it goes good, you know what to do. So it's a win-win situation for you, and I'm just bored. These are Wella toners, and I was unable to find them anywhere, from Al-Fatah, Isaji's, anywhere, could not find them. I finally ordered them from a page on Instagram called Do or Die. I love whoever runs that page. Love, love, love. What we have here is these two. So I'm going to try to make it as informative as possible, and I'm going to try to get out as much information in case you like the results and you want to try it out. Toners are not available here as much as to my knowledge. My toner was a purple shampoo and some conditioner, and that was about it. And sometimes it works, sometimes it's just what. So finally I have my hands on this after so many years. I'm going to give it a shot. The first that I have is T14. Please ignore my nails and ignore my existence. Look at the products on me. And the second one is 050. This is an additive. It's a wallet based additive. If you have any other questions, whatever concerns you have, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be surprised if you comment. So the thing is, once you bleach your hair to your desired state, the best way to get rid of the yellow tones, the orange tones, the brassiness is to tone them. Now, either you have to go to an expensive salon and be like, yes, take my money, I throw my money at you, or you can be stupid like me and try it yourself. And disclaimer, I'm not a professional in any way, shape or form. The only credentials I have is YouTube. I watched several hours of videos and I educated myself to my best capabilities. What YouTube taught me is that you're gonna take your T14, dump out the entire bottle in your mixing jarry thingy, bowl, whatever. So 1 bottle of this means 2 bottles of developer. So we're just gonna use this as a measuring tool. Okay, so the one thing that YouTube taught me was that it smells really bad, and my first instinct was to smell it. Don't. So I'm also not a professional YouTuber, so I don't have second angles and second whatever visuals where I can just turn and show you the bowl. So I'm just going to do this right here. Dump out the entire jar in the bowl. 1 jar of T14. I'm not exaggerating. Then I'm going to dump out the developer in this bottle twice. So this is the best measuring tool. The ratio is 1:2. Dump it in. Round 2. Okay, measurement number 2, second bottle, in it goes. Mixing it. And try not to inhale it. Next we have 050. It's an additive. So basically you're supposed to use around 4 to 5 cups of this, but I'm feeling adventurous. I really don't care about the result and blah, blah, blah. So I really want to smell it. It smells the same. I'm gonna dump the entire bottle in, and then we're gonna mix this as well. Now either we're going to end up with great results and I'm gonna be like, yes, I knew what I was doing all along, or I'm gonna end up saying, fuck, should have listened to the instructions. So the mixture looks quite weird and jello-y. Okay, so I'm gonna start applying it really quickly. The method of applying them is to damp hair, towel dry hair, not dripping wet hair. So I have my hair damp. Just gonna brush them out a bit. So now this is the fast forward part. Section off your hair properly, not like me. But I'm just paranoid that my mixture is ready and I might be taking time, so I'm gonna get right into it. This is the fast forward part, blah blah blah. I'm gonna watch a movie and BRB. Phase 1 is complete. Another trouser successfully ruined. So I'm gonna put a plastic bag over it and I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes. Either my hair is going to be green, blue, gray, or they look like mud. But as long as I own it, I think I'm gonna be fine. So it's gonna be a surprise for you and me. I'm gonna pretend I'm gonna love it. So stay tuned for that. Again, I'm gonna keep it on for 30 minutes and I'll get back to you, which is going to be a second for you. Oh, YouTube lingo. Anyways, see you in
Every 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
So this is the result. I don't know how it's showing off in the camera. In real life, it's quite ashy, silver, gray. I actually love it. I'm not pretending to love it. I actually love it. And if you guys like the result, you know what to do, you know what steps to follow. And if you guys mess up, not on me. Try at your own risk. But I always dye my hair myself, tone, bleach, whatever I have to do, I do it myself, because I feel like it's more money efficient, and if I mess up, I know who to blame, myself rather than someone else. It's much better to have control of them myself. You know what I mean. Anyways, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, show some love, and hit the subscribe button. I love you, beautiful humans, and bye. Never once would I have the right perfect nail polish on.